Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm just coming back from a corporate shoot and I thought I'd give you something a little bit different. Last week I went to a yoga retreat with my wife and my little boy. We went with Salt Power Yoga and it was held at Sandcastles in Agnes Waters. It was a great little yoga retreat. If you guys ever get an opportunity to do something like that, it's just great. I loved it. I did all the filming and shooting for those guys. They're dear friends of ours. Show them some love. I've put a link in the description so you guys can check them out after the video. This is just a quick one. It's just some highlights, a little bit of a highlight reel for you. Anyway, yeah, if you ever get a chance, Sandcastles as well, it's a resort. It's a beautiful spot. It's got so many really nice villas, 50 meters from the beach. We did a whole bunch of surfing and stand-up paddleboarding. It's just such a great place, and it was a great opportunity.
I've become present to quietening the chatter of my mind. Meditation is very important. That's been a big one for me. So today's session we've had 2 meditation sessions, which were a real awakening for me as to how important this is to daily incorporate this.
We're at Agnes and I'm having just a wonderful weekend. I've learnt to surf, I've never surfed before, learnt to paddleboard and meditation. It's just been wonderful and I really enjoyed it.
Alright guys, hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.